Well, good evening to you. It is 75 degrees and the humidity is running high as well. If you've been outside any length of time, you know it's muggy out there. Made it up to 84 degrees today. 1.79 inches of rain goes onto the total for today, but we had 2.31 yesterday, and that brought the total up to 4.1 for Topeka. So all of these numbers you see up here are the amounts we saw today since midnight, which was basically the second round of rain that came through, except for up north, even Marysville. That was toward the end of the second round. I think a lot of the area, when you look at this, are a little bit more representative of these 2 to 4 inch totals up north, 1.5 to 2 inch totals around Eskridge and Manhattan, and a little bit more than 3 at Hollis. We've had a lot of rain over the last couple of days, and this big area of 3 to 6 inches of rain is why we have such extensive flooding. It's actually just so widespread we can't even give you just a rundown of every single county road that's been closed. Anything that crosses over one of the creeks, there's so many out of their banks. Like the Wakarusa River is up, but lots of those just smaller creeks have come up and out of their banks, and those low water crossings have filled. Some of the bridges have had water top over them on some of those smaller streams. Those will start to crest, and the larger rivers will start to have to deal with this. This is Cross Creek. Cross Creek is actually up over here. This is the Rossville Road coming in, looking southward toward Rossville. Sent from Daryl Denifer, taken from West Thompson. You can see a temperature of 75 in Topeka, 72 for Linden, Manhattan and Junction City, both at 74 degrees right now. We've got partly cloudy skies and rather quiet weather here. Some high clouds coming in from the west as a part of thunderstorms. These are actually the tops of the thunderstorms. Those are all well to the west right now. Those are not going to be moving our way. Future Track shows those moving in from north central Kansas toward Nebraska. What you see happening here is redevelopment of a couple of showers, mainly over the north central part of the area around 7 or 8 in the morning, and then it quickly pushes away, and we're dry the rest of the day with a partly cloudy sky. So just a chance for some of the north central counties, maybe some of the northwestern counties to get a brief shower, nothing like what we've seen, and that'd be tomorrow morning. By Sunday morning, we're still dry, and then as a front comes into the area, scattered showers and storms will become increasingly more likely late Sunday into especially Sunday night. Tonight down to 69 degrees. A few showers and storms north, more toward the morning hours tomorrow, right around late night, early morning. Really just depends on how you look at the timing there. Again, early Saturday morning, there'll be that chance up north, but the rest of the area stays dry, and the majority of the day tomorrow will be dry with a high of 88. And most of Sunday will be dry as well, and even hotter, near 90, but a chance for some scattered storms late Sunday, Sunday night into Monday morning. Can't rule out a couple of stray showers Tuesday, but we may be able, as it gets a little closer, to take Tuesday's rain chances out. We actually go into a quieter weather pattern for a few days next week as highs remain in the mid-80s for a good part of next week as well. Here's a look at the spillway at Lake Shawnee from all the recent rain from Ron Hoverstock. Also a look of some of the flooding in one of the mobile home parks in northwest Topeka. That's from Nicole O'Neill. Also from Drew Sharp, taken in Topeka, a nice capturing of a lightning strike last night, and some of the hail that came through last night from Juanita Hauk from Shawnee County. We've had just dozens and dozens of videos and photos as well. We appreciate all of that. Unfortunate part to all of this is there's been a lot of damage because of roads being washed out. Once things recede, there may be a lot of road damage as well, and we'll be looking at that over the next several days.
So the break we had today and even tomorrow into part of Sunday, very much needed.
Yeah, just a slight chance of rain in the morning.
Thanks, Matt.